What is up, guys? Kind of a random video today, but today we'll be changing out the door struts on the passenger door of the SLS AMG. Got the part numbers right here. I believe the struts are different from the left side and right side, but both struts on the left are exactly the same.
What if you rolled yours over onto its roof?
You can't open the doors.
You can't get out.
Because look, they're up.
Wrong. The hinges here have explosive bolts, so if the car's upside down for 10 seconds, it blows the doors off.
So you guys can see, it looks good right now. It's all like holding up pretty well, but if I lightly touch it, it just kind of doesn't hold as well as it should. Now, especially over here, it just kind of drops, which is not what you want. Compared to this side, once the struts were replaced probably 2 years ago, it's already pushing back up from over here, which that side does not do at all. This may seem a very minor thing, but it's really more noticeable when you're down here. And the door just kind of wants to fall, but right here it's just holding steady. If we go to that side, of course there's a nice water dripping because I just washed it, but if we go to this side, if I ignore this is a work in progress. You guys will see soon. If we drop this at the same level, in fact about here, it just wants to fall, which is not what we want. I can already hear the comments, dude, no one's gonna do this on SLS. What is wrong with you? Why are you bothering? Well, it's just sort of a fun thing I thought I would do. I got the parts from a buddy of mine. He ordered them to the dealership for me, and now it's as simple as undoing some clips, removing the shocks, and putting the new ones in. Ideally, I would have two people here. One could hold the door and one would just put the new struts in, but because of how it's shaped, I think I'll be able to hold the door with my back and just do one at a time. Again, this is such a random video. I might be the only SLS owner, well, I don't actually own the car, but I might be the only SLS guy to do this himself. So, yeah. Here's one of the new struts over here. You can see how it's designed, where you have the pin that kind of goes through there and loops and goes all the way up top. To install, it should be as simple as just popping these guys back on. Very similar to a trunk strut. Same with the bottom one as well. So all you have to do is remove the strut from the top by removing this clip first. You can kind of see here on both sides what it looks like. It's as simple as kind of pulling down on it, and the whole thing will kind of pull out. And then in theory, this top part should just pop off. All right, so couldn't film much, but I can walk you guys through how I did it. Basically what I had was I held the door with my back. Now if you get someone else around you, way better just have them hold the door up and just kind of put some pressure on it upwards. Remove these clips by simply pulling them towards you, and then it'll slide out. I'm not going to take it out now, but it'll slide out up and down, kind of like that. You can see that the clip goes upwards. Simply slide that down and then pull it out like so. Putting it back is exactly the same. And then the same goes for the bottom clip. It works exactly the same way. Just instead of going down, it goes up. Then once those are off, what I have to do is pull this top one off first. Now, this one was a bit stubborn for me. I had to actually use a good amount of force. Just with my hands though, nothing crazy. That side came out very, very easily. So I don't know why, but that's just kind of how it was. And then once I got the top one off, the bottom one just simply pulled right off without much of a fuss. And then with that one off, took my new strut, took the clips off the new strut. The strut does come with new clips. And then I simply put it on and put the clip on right after, and that was that. For this one, I had to tap with a hammer real quick, just that rubber mallet right there. Just tapped it nice and lightly to get it fully seated before I could put this clip on. But now we're all set, and we're back in business.